Northern Ghana diaspora community in USA would like to invite you to participate in the coronation of Sirina Isa Bansina Beponga as North America GUNDO-NAA Chicago team, fostering unity among Northern Ghanaians in the diaspora community in the US. And it will happen on the 13th of October and 14th. US Ghanaian nang balaka enzan pe katega Kaman how program bo no program yung pa ka bo no kumiro tong na ko bo hano bonlu na pa kama fas lalan yele zang changbe ka ka bo no la kumiro tong na katong na bo hano bon la lu ngama ngune ne dana pa ndo abi debga kamatum fo mal trana sham abu no programs o ya song yel be dia nyela dem melga biya go biya ke katien ka at zamleta ye Kaman how kala yen non ten yel sham karanto zo kat am boala sham te gba bebel hankal ten zang en yul yel sham katien yela ngoma kan yara anya disclaimer before kan yela ye to anya new to this channel ten ka subscribe ka de biya anytime got to drop her also contents like this anya one of the people bayan yara disclaimer ayeto akan yelngomaya this episode is for educational purpose only, just to educate people on the small knowledge about Dagbon kingdom, Dagbon culture and our tradition. Tun kana pale shambe tun wumle sham diye to akati en yele kama sirina to angoma le che karien le kama tebe example. So we are not against anything on this coronation. I think we are remedy ko gwatina chon the caravan some share tle nyela something like table nyele and even can before can yell the to I call him Big Malik Big Malik like severally like 2 times in yellow the to ne masirina dalan cheka so kat visit makati yell about previous program be problem like to and call over cabin so like yes, educational purpose only. She's our mother. We are not against editing on Kaman how programs. So the camera to will come out these days. The nama we Dagbon nama. Benta telesham. I am telling the years one. Ka yap to male beti yon lantam male. Oh na. Bio nazo kanazo ma chante pigo wula na nazo ma mpile o diamana ko diamana ma malo zachi ko zachi ma malo wula na ko wula ma malo kukona. So like the custom so like kukona yoko pigo kpambala bio nazo ogben chante ne nazo wula na nazo zachi la nyele karcheka like nama dilan kadarza kama tenda wumdele betinda nyarasham and like the recently tenye nang dia gafara like te mabishaba kama te min bane be biya go funa ka to kurtelar karnya na wonan dam bane be dala fe biya karate ko jia kama akunya fongone izan be like bit so nam fongone be izan abillahu chankap to nam like all sort of things for educational purpose only unkubo am na idea. I'm not against any of them. Coming to Masirina coronation, mama, like looking at the title, there are some titles in Dagbon kingdom. Doctor Nyedbai, Tum Wum Shambetin Yelisha. Come example, Tokuto Male Ashama Yana, Willia Yana. I don't think something can be like that. Tumala shama dagwamana wula dagwamana tungo gashia be tamale be tukto me tamale na ne yana bamle yana be gatamala Cote d'Ivoire yana. I don't think we can have such a thing. Coming to GUNDO-NAA, like the history of GUNDO is as yana before on side be one and then next to Yandibu, but she being a woman be onye pamazo karacheka bazangundo amatu ya karze ya nyingba nye pa yana. So GUNDO-NAA is just like yani example but pa yana. So I don't think it will be like the non-vein yalanga like the nama yuma yan gundo amar kutune te respect to an extend kasokuto be shell polo kabondo ya kabondo kama wale be kabondo ya cherpene yan cherpen GUNDO-NAA ashama GUNDO-NAA kuma GUNDO-NAA like no ya na be na bi ponse na ma biane kama ben to ya kuma kpatuya anyele ya na bi ponse na ma biane na pa ben dir shama but this GUNDO-NAA naming it like Chicago GUNDO-NAA like the mother like maybe the mala Kaman how programs or tinye karman the shift ya biela kachi Dagbon to benne chanshan. So like they could have just named it Kamata Mika Chicago map from Male Dagbon like we could have say kama Chicago Gajia be Dagbon Gajia be Chicago kama Patuya. Just simple, don't go kind of to yell to Ashan, but the any further discussion Katien on dialect is just an idea, a suggestion can pop up about coronating Masirina as Chicago GUNDO-NAA. GUNDO is just like Yani. So these two titles we should protect its brand. Karabed nang tele kama diamana sang diamana tama diamana kakpa diamana yapule diamana kyongo zachi like we should protect la nama karama the respect shele kama we should hold them high esteem like to bubba style karsha no akuto be shepolo akuto ku be shepolo ka obala Chicago ya nasham the two net man ma side ma ka to protect le karba za to ma gundo a shepolo lam pai tam Michelle ngoma Kaman how programs or 3 year like for educational purpose only even Mayiko we could have fly to Chicago like to grace the occasion but takunyama kama the mala gundo ama the wetcha then film the value share them mad Dagbon be the mal projector dunia za shama kama dunia za mean kama like we never had Queen Elizabeth of America or Queen Elizabeth of Sepul, but you never hear, excuse me to use like the Ashanti Hine of Accra or Ashanti Hine of Tamale. Beka kama Ashanti himma like but now we put on the highest one, you know hear it. Tongo Ashanti himma be tongo. So yes, for educational purpose, can come and house on the say about la short coronation wama kasur now checker. This coronation karanong is successful one. Katet mama zoko she shall be in zang we respect and cherish you. Kaza kyong wazang to put son term masirina. Yusuf Abuturson on your producers ante a Kaman how programs or Kabiru Jato Ngonza Kamaranyanga Abdul Basit Kuchire Akolana as always. I nearly new to this channel, think I subscribe. Cut the bell party anytime cut drop new contents and you're one of the people by your notification first. You have your karna pasoka. Masala. Kaman how? Will I can never adanka ye to 247.